everybody. It's day 27. I kind of woke up in a grumpy mood today, and I think it's just because, I don't know, we've been waking up at 6 a.m. every day, and even when we're in town, we had to wake up early so that we can eat breakfast, so that we can catch a shuttle, so that we can get back to trail on time. And I'm just really over all the early mornings, and I'm normally a morning person, so it's not like I'm one of those people who usually sleeps till 10 a.m. every day in my normal life. I'm normally a very early riser and very productive in the morning times, but I think just not having quality sleep and also trying to wake up super early, it's just catching up to me, and just didn't want to get up this morning. And I felt like maybe I should have just slept in. But then the girls that I'm hiking with, I didn't want to lose them. So I don't know. But anyways, it's a really beautiful morning. So I'm trying to kind of turn my mood around a little bit. We've got either an 8-mile day or 12.3 mile day, I think. So 2 different shelter options. We're just going to see how we feel when we get to 8 miles. I'm feeling pretty good. The other girls are a little achy and whatnot, so we're just going to see. I might push on regardless. I don't know. But yeah. Alright, well, I'm going to try to turn my mood around and keep you guys posted. Morning view. Smoky's looking cute this morning. Gonna check out Charlie's Bunion. Wow. Just keep going. And check this out. The fog rolling off the top. Smoky Mountains, looking smoky. Here's the view from Charlie's Bunion. Not a bad view for this morning. And not a bad climb either. Worth the 0.1 off trail for sure. Birds are singing. I feel like I could just sit here and watch the clouds rolling for an hour. They're moving pretty quick. Wow, just down the road from Charlie's Bunion and another great view. Beautiful. That's a little fun guy going all the way up this little boy. Popular. We got the slug of the day looking mighty handsome this morning. Look at these little trees sharing roots. It looks like they're holding hands. So cute. Not a bad view. I think this is Laurel Top. Beautiful. I am living for all this fluffy green moss. So beautiful. How do y'all want to hop on and update now that I'm a little less grumpy from this morning? but it is just after lunch now, and our plan is to do 12.6 miles to the Tri-Corner Knob shelter, I think. So it's been a pretty good day so far. Elevation's not too crazy, just kind of like a longer distance, but nothing too crazy, not too bad. So still really beautiful, and it's pretty hot out here, but thankfully all these cypress trees have nice tree coverage and lots of shade to protect us from the sun. So yeah, it's been a good day so far, and I'll check back a little later and let you guys know if I see anything cool. Little fuzzy boy inching his way off trail into the security of the grass. Well, this is pretty gnarly. Right in the middle of the trail. The options are take your pack off and slide it under, or I think I'm gonna try to go down here and up and around. Oh yeah, nothing's ever easy though. That's why we're out here. Made it to the shelter. Time to go find a spot. Alright, tonight's dinner is 2 dinosaur egg oatmeal packets, chocolate covered donuts, 2 Slim Jims, sour candy, and pretzel chips. Super healthy and nutritious. Alright, it's the end of day 27, and it's been a really good day. Did 12.6 miles, and honestly feeling really good. So that's good. Like, we're to the point where we're ready to start pushing miles, so really excited that everybody's like feeling good after a long day. Also, my tongue is colored because of my sour candy, so just ignore that. But I think we might try to do another long day tomorrow, maybe push for like 14, and that way we can Nero into Standing Bear Farm Hostel the next day. But we'll just see how we're feeling in the morning, and we're just kind of trying to take it one day at a time now. But I think we're kind of ready to get out of the Smokies, to be honest. So yeah, might try to push another long day tomorrow, and then that way we'll have plenty of time to Nero the next day. So yeah, all around great day and excellent weather. So I think tomorrow's going to be a really nice day too, so I'm really excited about that. So check back again tomorrow to see what we end up doing.